What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to do something a little bit different and open the NG model Southwest 737-800. So we're going to take a look at it. I'm going to see how it compares a little bit to the Gemini Jets one. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this. So far, first impression looks really good. Really detailed. Looks really nice. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the detailed video review and check it out. Alright, let's take a close look here. Everything looks really good. Paint's detailed. I've already messed around with the gear a little bit, and the gear rolls very well, no problems, no wobbly wheels. Everything seems to be intact. Take a look at the top here. Love that the Wi-Fi box is on top right there. Very nice. This is my first NG model, and I'd say very impressed with it. Take a look at the bottom here. Look at the wheel wells you got right there. I love how the wings have the orange paint on them. Looks really good compared to the Gemini Jets. This is a little bit cleaner of detail. Right here, if you look at the wheel, it's got the orange on the outside of the wheel. I really like that they put that detail on there. Alright guys, thank you for watching my videos, my airport updates, and my unboxings and reviews. I would recommend going with NG models for sure. This one looks really good. Small plane. I usually collect 1 in 200, but every now and then I have 1 in 400. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.